Once again, I welcome to my channel RM Classroom. So as you know that every day I have uploaded one question related to the GATE and EAC exam. So yesterday I have uploaded the question related to the fluid mechanics. And the question was, a shallow wide river 1500-meter wide has a flow of 3000 meter cube per second with a velocity of 1.5 meter per second. Manning's roughness for the river is 0.025. If a hydraulic model with a vertical scale 1:40 and horizontal scale of 1:800 is to be built, the value of Manning's roughness for the model is, and your options are 0.025, 0.0605, 0.0753 and 0.09. So this is the case of distorted model. Distorted model in which horizontal scale and vertical scale is used. So here in the question, vertical scale is given, vertical scale LRV, that is 1/40, and horizontal scale is 1/800 is given. Discharge or flow is given, velocity is given, Manning's roughness for the model prototype is given, that is NP is 0.025. So 0.025, and we have to find the Manning's roughness in model. So this is the case of river model. So in a river model, gravitational force is predominant, so Froude law is applicable. So in river model, Froude law is applicable. So according to Froude law, VR is the velocity, is a square root of LRV. Similarly, if I apply according to Manning's equation, so Manning's equation can be written as VR is equal to 1/NR RR to the power 2/3 SR to the power half, where VR is the velocity ratio, that is the ratio of velocity in the model to the velocity in the prototype. Similarly, RR is the hydraulic radius ratio, that can be written as hydraulic radius in the model to the hydraulic radius in the prototype, and SR is the slope ratio, that can be written as slope in the model to the slope in the prototype, and NR is the Manning's roughness ratio, that is the Manning's roughness in the model to the Manning's roughness in the prototype. So let us assume this is our slope, this is the theta, and vertical distance is y and horizontal distance is x. So we can write tan theta, that is the slope, can be written as y/x, or we can also write in the vertical scale it can be LRV divided by LRH. Similarly, for the computation of hydraulic radius, so cross section is used. So hydraulic radius RR can be written as, it can be LRV. So if I apply the Manning's equation, so VR is equal to 1/NR RR to the power 2 by 3 SR to the power half. So here some Manning's roughness can be written as RR to the power 2 by 3 SR to the power half divided by VR. NR can be written as Manning's roughness in the model to the Manning's roughness in the prototype. RR can be written as LRV to the power 2 by 3. Similarly, slope can be written as LRV divided by LRH to the power half divided by VR can be written as LRV to the power half. So here NM by NP can be written as LRV to the power half, LRV to the power half cancel. So it will be LRV to the power 2 by 3 divided by LRH to the power half. So here we can write, we have to find the Manning's roughness in the model, and the prototype it is given 0.025, that is equal to scale ratio in vertical direction, that is 1 by 40 to the power 2 by 3 divided by 1 by 800 to the power half. So if I compute the value, so it will be square root of 800 divided by 40 to the power 2 by 3. So it is coming 2.418. So nm by 0.025, that is equal to 2.418. So the Manning's roughness in the model is 0.0605 is the Manning's ratio, Manning's roughness coefficient in the model. So if I see the option, so 0.0605 is the B option is correct. So B option is correct. So dear students, as you know that every day I have uploaded one question related to the GATE and EAC एग्जाम. सो आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखें, और अगर अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब भी कर लें, और जिन स्टूडेंट को तक ये नहीं पहुंच रहा है आप उसे भी आप शेयर करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग इनसे ताकि इससे बेनिफिट उठा सके. थैंक यू.